Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video on this small little tiny bag from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this bag is related to the rest of the unboxings, unbaggings, you know, guess what's in the box videos for the last probably 15 or so videos. This is an electronic item. It is for electrical Diag or diagnostic. This is the very last one that showed up. It actually took several weeks to get. I only got it like 3 days ago. I ordered all of this stuff back in February, beginning of February sometime. Most of them didn't show up until like, you know, February 24th to 27th. This one didn't show up until March 10th, and today is March 13th. Today is Sunday. So just quick measurements of this little tiny bag are 6 inches wide by 7 3/4 inches long, and it's really flat. I would say it's probably not 1/32. It's about 1/4 inch thick in one specific spot on the bag. You guys let me know what you guys think is in this bag. A hint is it's related to fuses. Is it a fuse loop? A current loop? Is it a fuse breaker or a resettable fuse breaker? Or an automatic fuse breaker or a manual fuse breaker? Is it a relay, a cable to set up relays? Is it just some wire that you can use to test relays or fuses? It is fuse related. I hope all the hints help. You know, I've been trying to do the videos a little bit better, give more hints. But that's all I got for you guys today. We'll just rip it out the bag in the next video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And this is also related to be more specific, it's related to the very first video that I did for the guess what's in the box video and the unboxing for this set of videos. So it should be, there was 7 items. It's about 14 videos ago, before this one is what it's related to exactly. That's it. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!